Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with some happy mail. I went to my P.O. box and lo and behold, I had some happy mail from the one and only Cuttlemeclay Tay. And so this is how the box is looking. I know it's kind of close up, but I already see one of her beautiful flowers in there, right there. And let's get into it. So give me 1 second. And I'm going to just get into this. Let's throw some of that down there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, what did you do? Oh, here goes a card, a little something just for you. And look at that beautiful, beautiful rose on there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so pretty. Hi, I hope everything is going well. Just wanted to send you a little something, something. Hope you love everything. Love Tay, Kobe Tay. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at that. Would you check this out? Look at those gems on there. She does such a beautiful job at layering everything and putting everything together. Love this. Love this die. What die is that? I need to know. I need to know what die that is. All right, so let's just set that right there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lanta. Oh my Lanta. Look at this. Give me just 1 second. Because she has some flowers down in here. Oh my goodness. I want to get those out of there so I can show you all. Oh, look at this rose. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I already love her flowers. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm in awe. Look at that. I'm just going to set those right there. Okay, let me move the box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start here. Oh, let me undo the. She has a little bow up top. Let me just hold on. Let me just look at this for a second. Oh, and it's one of those little caddies. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Handmade. Look at this. Got the little bicycle, a little storage compartment there. Would you check that out? Oh my Lanta. And then this is like material here. And I want to say that's cardstock, probably Maggie Holmes, maybe some sort. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm just undoing the tool here. Give me just 1 second. All right, I have this open now. Oh my goodness. I am just in awe. Tay, what did you do? Oh my goodness. Look at that. So pretty. You see that? Life is lovely. I just love her layering techniques. I think this comes right off. Oh, I could have just opened up the bottom. Let me put this back on here. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Look at all the layering. There's a bee there. Some more of her flowers, a little bow there. Looks like a teacup. Hello. There's some flowers back there. Absolutely gorgeous. She done some stitching there. Oh my goodness. Whew. And actually, I think that's right on top. So I'm not going to take that out because that's right on top of that. So you actually see everything there. That is gorgeous. So she has a ticket, a little heart, another little heart back there, the little jar. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Hey. Oh, there goes another one. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And that one's almost similar to that, but just some different layering. She's got a little bike here, a little star, a little heart with some uh, thread going around. So pretty. Teapot says love. Um, Little bow there. Oh my goodness, such detail. Ooh. Okay, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Look at there. She sent some diamond dots. Those are my favorite. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she got the something on there. I'll get it out. But anyways, here goes the color 5001, and this is the one with the little sparkly gems on there. And then she has a soft pink, and there goes the color 8059. And then she sent me some stickles as well. Oh my gosh. And then I didn't show you the bag. I just tore right into it. So look at this bag. They're gonna be just fine, is what it says. And check out the little hearts on there, and it has a little heart on the back. So cute. And then she wrapped it up in that. Okay, let me slow my roll so you all can see everything. Oh goodness, check this out. She does such great work. Look at that. Look at this. All the layering and everything. So pretty. Love it. And then she has the little, what is that? Those little balls. I forgot what you call them. But, goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, let's continue on. Look at how she has this wrapped. Now, I never had this kind of ribbon, so this is really nice. I can put that on some of my cards there. Let me get into this. Give me just one moment. I want to try and save everything. Let me just get right into this. Oh, it looks like we have some of those little, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here goes this. Says family. And then look at these little girls. Oh my goodness, Tay. This is like Christmas. Okay. So let's keep going. Oh, and she had some of these little popcorn hearts, or whatever you call those that goes in the bag. So those are really cute. And then this is how this one's wrapped. She has some more little pink ribbon. Give me just one second. Let me get into this one. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, she has two things in this one, so let me get into this one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm almost nervous. Oh, look at that. Just sent me some stamps. This is so cute. It's called Cute Boots. Oh man, that is adorable. And I'm trying to color a little bit more, so this is perfect. All right, so there goes that one. And let's get into this one. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. And we got a lot of bows in there. Red and a peach looking color. Isn't that nice? Made by Dear Lizzie. So cute. Okay, and then I think we have some things on the side. Okay. Oh, look at the bows. I get so excited over her bows. I am just like so excited. Oh my goodness, and then she has another set over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone, so I had to come back on and show this box in all its entirety, because when I say Tay jammed on this box, I absolutely love it. And so since I have everything out, I just wanted to show you that this box is absolutely beautiful. She not only did the outside of the box, where this is paper, this is material. She added a bow here. This is leather pieces, and then she, decorated around here. I love her layering techniques. She added feet, as well as finished off the bottom of the box. And let's not forget the inside of the box. I mean, she stitched everywhere. She added the little, I don't know what these are called, but she added those here. This is ribbon. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I don't know where I'm going to put this in on the video, but wherever it's at, back to the video. Thank you so much, Tay. I'm so excited. Was not expecting this, but when I seen this, it was just a smile on my face. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Now, I will have her link down below, so make sure you go over and subscribe and tell her Mo Creation sent you. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. Now, she does sell these bows and things online, so I will have her Instagram link down below. If you don't know of Tay, you can see her handiwork. I mean, beautiful. So make sure you go over and subscribe to Cuttlemeclay Tay on Instagram, because that's where she does most of her selling, on Instagram. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.